In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own NFT using Metamask and Rarible. So first, in order to get started, you'll want to download the Metamask extension. It's a free extension you can use. You can download it using any browser you want, but I recommend only using one browser for all your crypto work. I'll link a video to that if you want more details. Moving on, I'll show you how to install the Metamask step by step. So you'll want to first Google Metamask, and the URL you want to go to is metamask.io. So here I'll just remove the extension so I can start from scratch again, show you how to download it. And go to the download page and install for your browser, and it'll show up here for me as for Firefox. And here we're taken to the add-on page by Dan Finlay Comavis, and you just add the extension in. Here they just have permission to see what you're browsing and give you notifications, so that's fine. I'll add that in. And once that's done, you don't want to click anything, as you just wait for this screen to pop up, which is the Metamask Login. So once that's there, you see the URL. It looks kind of funny, but it's comes straight from the Metamask homepage, so that's fine, which is why you want one browser up at this time. And here you can import your wallet or create a new wallet. So if you don't have a new wallet, you can just click the create new wallet, set up a password, and go to that step. But I already have the wallet, so I'll import mine. I have my own secret security phrases. I'll put that in, fast forward, and congratulations it says, and yeah, you're in now. Now you click all done, and you can also access your dashboard on the top right with your Metamask extension. Currently you see it's not connected to anything, which is the right thing, since if it was connected, that would be a bad sign. So that's good. We'll figure that out in a bit. Now we're ready to set up our Rarible account. So go to rarible.com, and it's gonna ask you to sign in with Metamask. So that's fine. We'll press next, and we can press connect. And you see that here we're connected now to the one account, so this is right. Everything is in order with the setup. So here's a Rarible homepage where you can create your own NFTs to sell and create your own collections, whichever way you want to go there, but we're going to create one. So hit create, and we'll be using Ethereum, and you can create single or multiple NFTs, but I just want one rare NFT. Choose the file that you want to create. So here we have this piece here for the beautiful shark design I've made, and you can enter in your own price for fixed price. 5 Ethereum is worth about $12,000, but you could set it higher. So if you have a piece that's gonna have VIP access to your channel and your content, you might as well raise the price up higher. Also, since if people ever resell the NFT, then it can be worth more down the road. So I'm going to set it to 40 Ether, and you can also open it up for bids and do an auction and go down that route, but I prefer just to start fixed price, but that's up to you. So we'll put a name for it. Here I'll put the make and model of it and the description, which is the perks that this token gets. So full VIP access to the Automotive For Beginners channel, free lifetime access to all courses, and free new t-shirt designs sent to the NFT holder every year. And then for royalties, you can get a recurring commission sent to you every time someone resells your NFT. So here I'll put 5%, which is fine. And this you can put alternative text for SEO purposes. And then you can create a collection if you want, but I don't want to create a collection with this NFT. I want to sell it, so we'll leave it as is on Rarible and create item. Then you'll go through this next page here with a few more steps to mint your NFT. So it's gonna pull up the Metamask extension again. You'll want to sign off on the transaction, but you can also make a record of this transaction separately, so you have a backup to your own records. And just sign off, and there you go. Your NFT is now successfully complete. It's now uploaded onto the Rarible platform. So this is what it looks like. And you can also share your NFT with your own channel or people you know that'd be interested in buying it or looking at it. There's that option there. Apparently, as of recording this, I didn't have to purchase Ether to post this NFT for sale, because I've seen other videos where people had to spend money to post on Rarible, but in this case I didn't have to, so it might change from time to time. But now you know the step-by-step process how to get your own NFT onto the Rarible platform. And if you want to learn how to render your own NFTs, I got a course you can check out below that'll show you step by step how to design your own renders. So if you're interested, check that out. Link will be down below. I hope this video helped.
Automotive for Beginners.